Hey, thanks for coming back to the channel. Sorry, the sun's glaring out here a little bit. It's our J10. Oh, what's this ugly thing up here? Oh my goodness. That's a GMRS radio antenna, 3 dB gain. Oh my goodness, how did that get on the hood? Well, I'll show you here in just a second. So, just a brief video about the install of the Midland radio. Hopefully you can see that okay. And I've got it up here on the rack inside of the truck. And perhaps this is a better view of the radio. It's a really slim radio. All the controls are in the handheld. So, pretty cool. See if I powered it up. Oh my goodness.
Pressure,
it works.
30.10 inches and steady. At West Kendall, partly sunny. Temperature 73.
That's the weather channel.
Allen, gusting to 26. At Homestead, mostly sunny.
And that audio is from the internal speaker coming out of the radio box where all the electronics are. I don't know if all the electronics, because handheld's pretty heavy. The handheld's heavier than this thing. At any rate, so I ran all my wires up under here, down this corner of the cab, under the carpet, and up under the hood. Oh, you can't even see it because the grommets and everything are so tight, so that's great. Let's open my hood real quick. Okay, so this is where the antenna mounted. I had to cut a little lip off because it's a clip antenna. So hopefully you can see that pretty good. And on this side, this is what it looks like. So, yeah, it's made for something that doesn't have a lip. So, of course, the J10 hood has a lip. So, I had to cut that lip out. And I used a Dremel tool for that. And that's the antenna cable. All the power comes up here. I've got a standard ground that I use for everything. And then all of my electronics are wired right to the positive post of the battery. They go up against the firewall, come across, just tie wrapped mainly, and then they go into the through the firewall right here, and you can see the antenna and the power and ground. So pretty cool. Took my time with it, as I try to do, so I got a pretty clean install, and it works really well. I highly recommend this. And you know, CB's great, but this definitely gives you a lot more range, and it seems like a lot of the off-roaders in my area are going to GMRS instead of CB. So this is the 15 watt item. So 15 watts of power. Everything's integrated into the microphone for all the controls. You can see how small the head unit is. I call it a head unit. I don't know what they call it, but it's really tiny. And you can mount these things basically anywhere. Sorry, there's an airplane flying by. But this is the 15 watt version. There's a 50 watt version, but it's twice the price. And if I looked up the repeaters in the area, I've got several repeaters that go for anywhere from 20 miles to 60 miles. So depending on what I need to do, car-to-car travel is no big deal. But if you really wanted to reach out there, you feasibly could by hitting that repeater. All right, well, thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button. I'm trying to grow the channel, and I'm hoping the videos are informative and brief enough. I think some of mine are too long, so I hope you like this one. Thanks a lot.